Hello beautiful people! I grabbed a few home decor magazines from the thrift store and will flip through them with you in search of images to use in my junk journals. This L decoration is from 2018. I have a Libelle Living from 2020. Oh, it says it here too. Ariadne at Home, and that's 2020 I think. Okay, and this is a VT Wonen Living from February of this year. So I won't get through them all in this session, but let's see which will we start with. I like the Ariadne. Magazine harvesting is just a creative way to say you're flipping through magazines and cutting out the good stuff that you like. You know, photos, text, patterns, whatever catches your eye. Okay, let's begin with the Ariadne at Home. I always find beautiful images in these magazines. I'm excited. I already like what's on the cover. Hey, e-bikes. There's so many e-bikes in the streets here in the Netherlands. Do they have them where you live? Okay, let's move on. I'm on a mission. Look at the sneak peek what's inside this magazine. It's so pretty. Yummy. Oh, the lamp is nice. Hey, look at this fan. I can definitely use that somewhere. Let's cut it. Okay, what else is interesting? This looks interesting. Okay, and this, let's check the back. Always check the back side before you start cutting, because it might have an even better image. So, I like this. Okay, and what is this? Is it abstract art? Okay, I'm just gonna take it and put it aside for later. Probably goes into my old pink glue book that I'm collecting for. What else? Okay. So, right now, oh, these are nice. I can use that in my Amos glue book for all the circles. I like the flowers, but, you know, a bouquet of flowers you find more often, so for now, I keep trying to tell you something. I put the leftover parts and pages that I don't use, I put them to the side. I'm not discarding them. Hey, can we use this? Maybe. Oh, this is pretty. Look at the wallpaper. Yeah. So if I tear it, I might tear the page. So let's just pull off the entire front part like this. Be careful. So this I'm not discarding, I'm just putting to the side and then I can go through it later. So look at how easy it is to tear the page off now. This is beautiful, but this one, this is going to be a background image. So most of the full page images I can use as backgrounds for a spread. So when I flip through these magazines, I'm looking for interesting images, textures, interiors, objects or small bits of text. I always just, hey, maybe the see-through. I like doorways and windows where you can see through. So I always go in with an open mind but focused. I know what glue books I'm working on, so I know what I would like to use and what I would like to find. Here, you see, like this window. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, what's on the other side? This. And then, yeah, flowers. You know, I always love flowers, but you can find them in almost every magazine, or my magazines that I have. So, let's see. What else? This is nice. You know, oh, look at these rolls of paper. I like this. Yeah, let's take this. And some of these images go into my themed glue books, others go into spreads built around colors or textures. Hey, look at this. You see what this is? These rolls of paper are these pieces of paper. They included them. That is so nice. Yes. Oh, this is a backyard I would like to sit in. Hey, beautiful. Maybe I can do something with this house as a background, adding something to it. Well, Let me keep that in mind. Let me know if I miss anything. I'm not discarding them, like I said. I can go back and take anything great that I might have missed. Oh, look at this high chair. I like it. I like, what is it, bamboo or wicker? It's beautiful. Oh, look. Passion for plants, it said. But I'm not looking for the nature shots right now. Like the large pages, I got a very big stash of them. Oh, this is nice. This looks like a ready-to-go collage. I have to keep it. Yeah. What is this? Oh, look how beautiful. This is a nice house. Very calming. Yes, it's also pretty. That's nice. Ooh, look at this. I can bake, but not like this. These flowers are pretty. If I ever do a food glue book, I will use all of these. Look at that. Yummy. Oh, I want it. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Maybe I like this. What is this? A breakfast room? Gorgeous. Oh, but this flower and the chair. Which side would I use? I don't know, but I'm gonna take it and keep it. So we'll decide later what to use. And that's the final page. Hey, we can use the back side. Yes. Shall we do another one? Do you have time? I do. Libelle Living is another magazine that never disappoints. Look, I told you. There's a sneak peek images for this edition. Yeah. It's gonna be good. Hey, we have a chair like this. Like this, in kid size form from when my son was smaller. Now a large teddy bear sits in it. Hey, I really like this brush. Hey, nothing on the back. Yes, I'm getting it. It's perfect. The size is perfect. The color is perfect. Look at the drips. Yes, let's cut it. Just do a quick cut and I will fussy cut it later. But look at that. Very excited about that. What else? Okay, I don't know what this is, the abstract art, but we're taking it. Anything that's unusual, you gotta take. Hey, that looks interesting. That, what's, oh, er was dus een huis met magische muggen. Oh no, there once was a house with magical walls, it said, but I thought mosquitoes, because there was an image of mosquitoes, and muggen and muren, it's similar. Okay, but this one, look, that one is pretty with the giraffe. Oh, and this, what are we gonna do with this? This is gonna be a background, definitely. This one, all these smaller images, I like that too. This is nice with all the dried flowers. It'll make a good background. Yeah. I'm not really looking for flowers anymore, but these colors are different from the usuals. Oh, look at this. This is art. You see, and then I tell myself not to source any more flowers, but then you come across these. And this. Oh. What do I do? Shall I just leave them for now? And then maybe come back to them later, but okay. Can't help it. Gotta put this one to the side. It's just too beautiful. This is nice. Oh, I love the large monstera. Yes, beautiful. I love a house with a lot of plants. My house has a lot of plants. Plant lady. I also have a plant website where I teach people about houseplants and how to take care of them. Oh, I like these. Wait, let's tear this off. Look, pages with smalls. I like the art, I like the chair, this is nice, all these little bits and pieces. Color trend book. Okay. Hey, this looks interesting. Yes, taking that. This is beautiful. I love all the smalls. That's good because I'm just pulling out all the background images, and that's fine, and I'm happy with that, but I need smalls too. So how I build my spreads is you have the background image, and then you have a large focal image. Then, you know, sometimes there's bits of text or a person, illustration of a person, and then you want the small bits, the smaller things, to make it cohesive and interesting, to let the spread tell a story. Oh, look at these. Oh, this is such a great magazine to pull from. Like I said, the Libelle and the Ariadne at home. Oh, these chairs. Look at these chairs. You like them? I got those chairs. But mine are deep dark green. They're so comfortable at the dining table. Okay, this pink page is nice. Hey, what's this? Hout. It means wood. Look at this house. It's different. Yeah, I think I can work with it. Let me take it because, like I said, it's unusual and it's different and I've never seen it before. We can work with it, even though now I don't know yet but what to do with it, but they will come. I like stairs. What else? Oh, this is beautiful. There's some small items. Oh, this cupboard is nice. Yeah, kind of like this. Oh, but look at this wallpaper print. I'm pulling it. Yes, I love this. And what else is here? Oh, again the wallpaper. Oh, this is a nice hallway. What else? Oh, look at the art. Maybe we can use some of the art. I like to cut out the frames. Look, this could be nice. Okay, I'll leave them in for now, but I'll probably come back to these pages a later time. Hey, this is beautiful with the dark wall, the frames. Yes, I'm gonna take it. Hey, and all these small images are great. They're ready to go. Yes, love them all. And look at these leaves. Oh yes, large leaves. This is gorgeous. Can do so many things with them. Oh, birds of paradise. That's always great. What else do we have? Large leaves are my jam. Yes, pulling them. I could use these. And this, maybe like this. If I cut this off, or this. Yeah. I'm gonna put that to the side. Hey, polka dot begonia. I got that. Yeah, that's such a beautiful plant. It's a very happy plant. Hey, this image. This is my photo. Yeah, okay. This is funny. So back in the day, a couple of years ago, yeah, 2020, like let's what was this? Yeah, now I recognize. I didn't recognize it. That's funny. The Libella bought some photos of me to use in their magazine. So this is one of the photos. It's funny. I didn't recognize the cover. I picked this up at the thrift store. I must have this somewhere in my bookshelf too. Okay, last few pages. Let's take this purple plant because it's gorgeous. And then this is the back cover page. Oh, this is pretty. Hey, flamingos. Home is where the flamingos are. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna keep this for my pink Gluebook. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.